Hi everyone, welcome to TMT Tips with Taylor Mobile Tutoring. My name is Donia. Today we have tip number 27, collecting like terms. So here I have an example of a piece of an expression that we may be asked to simplify by collecting like terms. So the different terms within this expression are separated by variables, exponents, and the integers themselves. So this term here has 4 and 1 single x. This term here is a regular integer, just a regular number. This term here has a number, a variable, and an exponent. This term here has a number and a variable, but a different variable than the one that we've had before. And this term here is just a regular integer, just a regular number. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the same as number 2, different kinds of terms. So in order to simplify these, I can collect the terms that are similar and bundle them together. In this example, I only have 2 terms that are the same that I'm able to simplify by putting them together. Since this 5 is positive and this 1 is positive, I can add them together to make this expression a little bit smaller. So I would rewrite it as 4x plus 6 plus 6x squared plus 9y. And this would be my simplified answer. So let's try another example. Okay, so first things first, let's look at every term that we have in our expression to see which ones are the same or similar so we can collect them together. So I have an x, that's 1. I have an x squared, that's 2. Regular integer, that's 3. Regular integer, that's 3. Another term with a variable, but a different variable, so that's 4. And another x squared, which is 2. So let's start by combining our 3's together because these are going to be the simplest. So I'm going to rewrite the rest of my expression exactly how it is, but I'm going to combine those 2 terms. 2x plus 9x squared. Positive 5 and negative 3 make, positive 5 and negative 8 make negative 3. Plus 4y minus 6x squared. So I saw here that I also have an x squared and an x squared term, my 9x squared and my negative 6x squared. So I'm going to combine those 2 together. Now, when I'm combining terms with variables, I don't have to worry about the variable and the exponent. That's going to stay the same. I'm just going to worry about the integers that my variables have with them. So positive 9 and negative 6 make positive 3. So if I combine these 2 together, it's going to give me positive 3x squared. So let's rewrite that with the simplified term. 2x plus 3x squared minus 3 plus 4y. And this is my new answer. I know this is my answer because every term that I have is different. They have a different variable, and if they do have the same variable, then there's a different exponent or they're an integer by themselves. So there we have a quick example of collecting like terms. As always, if you have any ideas or concepts that you'd like us to create tutorial videos on, please let us know. Otherwise, thanks for joining us today.